Hello and welcome to Hornby Court. I'm your realtor, Felix Capitulo of the Capitulo Brothers Real Estate Group. And today, I'm here to show you the studio unit to get you your next step in this very affordable downtown apartment. Let's take a look. This studio apartment highlights a renovated kitchen and bathroom, finished with updated cabinetry, backsplash, and quartz countertops to give the space a seamless look. We've also installed custom shelvings in the walk-in closet for that extra touch of space efficiency. Hornby Court is walking distance to everything that you need. Downtown living gives you access to various parks, restaurants, bike paths, the Seawall and its beautiful views, and the neighboring communities of Yaletown and Davie Village. Great for investors and first-time home buyers. This is the type of home you've been looking for. So give me a call.